Hello kids, welcome to Cheeky Kids Land. Today I draw a rainbow star. Wow. First I draw a star. Do you know the star have 5 corners?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you
Wow.
are. Twinkle,
One,
twinkle, little star,
two.
how I wonder what you are.
Just count the corners. Now I make it perfect. First draw a circle. Second circle, the third circle, fourth circle, and 5 circle in 5 corners. Now I draw the eyes. The eyes are closed. Wow! La 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 la. Wow, it's magic. Now I take the yellow color, and second I take the orange color. I'm doing the rainbow colors in the star. Do you know the rainbow color's name? Now I take the green color. The third one is green, and also then eyes is moving. Wow! Amazing! And now tell me, which color is this? Okay, I will tell you. This is the red color. Tell me the colors names in the comment box. Now I take the 5th color. This one is purple. Which color? Purple. And in the last I take the pink color. Yay! This is the green color and this is the blue color. This is the pink color. And now I take the light purple color. This is a light purple color. And this is the orange color. Orange is also a fruit name and also a color.